Hello, we are at IMTEX 2019 and we are at the stall of Festo, and I have with me Mr. Ramesh Ramchandra, who looks after the automotive business here. Good morning, Ramesh.
Good morning, Niranjan.
Ramesh, tell us about the solutions that you've displayed at IMTEX this year and what is the significance of these solutions?
Excellent. So, Festo, as you know, has been a German company, and our presence at IMTEX has been very consistent. We have a large number of visitors who continuously, come looking at Festo for new innovations.
We can see that.
As a very innovative company, of course, this year as well, we have a lot of innovations. What we presented at the Hanover exhibition last year, we have presented here in
Okay.
the Motion Terminal, as it is called. Also, as you can see, the face of the Festo stall is completely changed. We are moving towards greener technologies, which means the electrical actuations. We have both our drives, controllers and motors now. Where you would typically see a Festo cylinder, now you would see very accurate and precise electrical drives.
Let me ask you one question here.
Yeah.
With India shifting from BS4 to BS6, does that mean more opportunities for companies like Festo?
100%, because this means we expect a lot more projects coming in. We expect a lot of refurbishments from the existing machinery, and this gives us a lot of opportunities. And in these opportunities, we are trying to push in our latest technologies and take our industry towards what the industry across the globe is going towards.
Okay. And with regards to business, how's been the last couple of years for Festo in India?
Last year specifically has been very good because the industry has been supporting us very well, and our growth figures are really mind-boggling. We expect that the same to continue this year as well, but people are having apprehensions about elections and things like that, but I don't see that to be affecting us. We see the automotive industry is really moving in the right direction, and I think a lot of projects coming up.
On that note, thank you so much. We appreciate your time and I wish you all the best for the journey ahead.